Okay, so what is an alter ego? और देखो मैं alter life नहीं बोल रही हूँ. Again and again I am using the word alter ego. Whatever we have, whatever we believe about yourself, the whole activity about the whole activity we did was about identity and belief shift. So the alter ego also will, it will also be based on your identity and belief. I'm not saying what kind of life you want, what kind of identity you want for yourself. Even I explained you, I like Veronica ka the confidence she has, how she behave, how she look, how she dress up, how she talk. Okay. That even fun wala dance, what she was doing, everything, like, that was one thing. Again, अगर मैं और एक कैरेक्टर किसी से अपने खुद को, मतलब अगर मैं चाहूंगी तो इट वुड बी मोर लाइक क्वीन मूवी. How she took the decision, how she overcome, how she was happy again. She didn't wait, she didn't cry for anyone. Like she did for 1 to 2 days, but at the end she was like, I want to go. I can't be like this. I want to live my life. And whatever your alter ego is right now, बेचारी खुद पे तरस खाना, मेरे साथ बहुत ही बुरा हो रहा है. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि गलत है. मैं आप लोग को ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप लोग जो ये बिहेव कर रहे हो ये गलत है. नहीं, इट इज नॉट रॉन्ग. बट दैट इज हाउ यू आर वायर्ड. ओके, दैट इज हाउ यू गाइज वर थॉट, और you must have seen people doing this kind of behavior, or getting this kind of identity. I'll tell you why. लव यू जिंदगी देखा है? ओके, ममता, लव यू जिंदगी नहीं देखा? जाओ लव यू जिंदगी देखो. इट इज, डोंट म्यूट,
ठीक
डोंट
है।
अनम्यूट, डोंट अनम्यूट, इट्स फाइन. लव यू जिंदगी इज मोर अबाउट, डोंट राइट ऑल्टर ईगो, मत लिखो, मैं आप लोग को 10 मिनट का टाइम दूंगी. द होल पॉइंट ऑफ लव यू जिंदगी वॉज, he was training, or he was mentally preparing her, or psychologically he was giving her activities and everything, where she will discard her old beliefs about relationship, about family, about love, and literally show up for everything and feel it, and just get through things. लव यू जिंदगी पूरा उसके बारे में ही है कि वो जिस चीज से फंक्शन कर रही होती है, वो जिस बिलीफ से फंक्शन कर रही होती है अपने लाइफ में, इट वॉज हर्टिंग हर. If you can see, it was hurting her, it was making her so miserable that she wasn't able to, वो भाग गई. जब वो सब चीजें हुई, she just left. And then when she met Shah Rukh Khan and everything happened, she started living again. लाइक साइकोलॉजिकल, उन्होंने उसको एक 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 चीज पॉइंट आउट की. जैसे हम एक एक चीज, एक पैटर्न पॉइंट आउट करते हैं खुद का, और हम चेंज कर रहे हैं. तो ऑल्टर ईगो इज योर बिलीव अबाउट योर सेल्फ, वॉट यू हैव एंड वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू डू एट द एंड. ओके, सपोज अगर मैं एकदम ऐसे लेमन लैंग्वेज में अगर आप लोग को डिस्क्रिप्शन दूं, तो इट विल बी लाइक, माई ऑल्टर ईगो विल बी, आई एम सो कॉन्फिडेंट, आई लव टू लर्न, आई love to meet new people who are knowledgeable, who can, who can come talk to me and just, बोलते हैं ना, वो नॉलेज में इजाफा होता है वाला काइंड ऑफ थिंग. So I love that kind of vibration. I love to teach, so there should be a lot of students who want to, who want to come in my community, who want to join my community, and they should grow and they should feel that sense of security and sense of healing with themselves, what they are doing right now. uh, आई वॉन्ट टू बी सो कॉन्फिडेंट कि मुझे कभी भी कहीं भी अकेले जाने में डर ना लगे, मैं पूरी दुनिया भी अकेले घूम सकूं। मेरे लाइफ में अगर कुछ भी बचा नहीं है, कुछ भी सब खत्म हो गया है, फिर भी मेरे इसमें इतना कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि मैं वापस जीरो से स्टार्ट कर सकूं। ये मेरा ऑल्टर ईगो होना चाहिए। मतलब इट शुड बी लाइक कि आई एम नॉट सेटलिंग फॉर एनी लेस देन व्हाट आई हैव राइट नाउ। इससे ऊपर होगा तो होगा, इससे नीचे तो नहीं जा सकते। That's how what alter ego is. How you want to feel, how you want to believe in yourself, what kind of belief you should have in yourself, in relationship, in everything. Ki I am such a magnetism person that my partner loves me so much. He understands me. He's just madly in love with me, and we guys can't even get off our eyes from each other. We are so into each other. We support each other. We are so loyal. We are best companion. Anything बोलते ना, मतलब तुम सोचोगे कि मेरी ये एज हो गई है, या मैं सोचूंगी यार मेरे को 28 हो गया, मुझे भी कोई तो ऐसा ही मिलेगा जिससे मुझे एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा, या नहीं, मुझे सब चाहिए। मुझे लग्जरी चाहिए, मुझे पैसा चाहिए, मुझे अच्छा पार्टनर चाहिए, मुझे हॉलीडेज चाहिए, मुझे अच्छी ये चाहिए, मतलब करियर भी अच्छा चाहिए, मुझे सब चाहिए। बट उसके लिए तुमको तुम्हारा बिलीफ सिस्टम चेंज करना पड़ेगा। वो बिलीफ सिस्टम तुम कब चेंज करोगे? जब तुमको पता होगा कि तुमको चेंजेस क्या क्या करने हैं बिलीफ सिस्टम में। तो तुम्हारा अभी जो प्रॉब्लम है उसको तुम एज एन ऑल्टर ईगो तुम लिखोगे कि मैं ऐसे ही जीती हूँ। अब मैं तुम लोग को सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, माय फोन जस्ट फेल डाउन। तो मैं तुम लोग को बताती हूँ, ठीक है? व्हाट आई रोट 3-4 कैरेक्टर्स। तेरे नाम तो सद समझाऊं। She is confident, bold, cheerful. She is not the person people will dare to degrade. She is so powerful. Okay. Veronica speaks with confidence, discipline, and she knows how and what people want to hear. She is a leader. People come to her for guidance and getting advices. She is a powerful, strong, understanding leader. She is creating her dream life with full of passion and consistency. She is a creator of her life. Everything she desires, it's already hers. She had made with her own value and मेहनत। हिंदी इंग्लिश कर सकते हो तुम लोग, ठीक है? She dressed like a boss lady according to her field. She looks so sophisticated and elegant. Her dressing sense is so good that people think she only wear luxurious brand. She looked beautiful in every dress she wear, Indian, Western, modern, doesn't matter. She sell her product and services fearlessly because she know and trust what she can do and what her product can do to people. People love to invest in me, and I want people to change their life and live a better and happy life. That's my vision. When she is on stage, people love to hear and relate with her. They can see how confident and beautiful she is. People love to see her and share her knowledge, and it helps them to take a step towards their growth. On social media, she is confident. She share her thought on various topic of life. She help people and motivate them to live a better life. Show all her achievement and encourage people to show up for herself or himself and live a very happy life. In a room, she is a good listener. She observe people and then handle them with their level of energy. She walks with a vision and sparkle in her eyes. Only high vibrational people can hold a conversation with her and see how amazing she is. बहुत बड़ा है मेरा. But this is how you have to write your alter ego, okay? What you want to feel, what is your vision, how you want to grow, how you want to help people. I've also written she's so abundant that her family, whatever her family desire, she just get it within a blink of an eye. Are you getting it? This is the belief she has about herself. This is what alter ego belief is. Okay? So write it down. I'm giving you 10 minutes.
I
Again.
I've wrote.
Tell me.
Mm, so she's complete, she's trustworthy and mature. She's happy that she have the best parents and sibling. Her partner is who fulfills her in all the area where she default, and it is a vice versa. She's wealthy, rich, that she can complete her own wishes and desire by herself. She have a perfect job which makes her happy and out of the world. She is healthy, so she can go on to any trip and can do anything. She is loan free from her house loan, so she don't have to pay her EMI anymore. She's received a seven-seater car, red color, which has a sunroof on it. She's complete, she's peaceful, she's free of all the diseases, be it it's emotional, mental, health wise, or physical.
What you named her?
I have not named her, but I
Come on,
should.
name her. Come on. टेक योर
uh,
टाइम, आराम से ऐसे ऐसे बैठो सोचो. और the name you should come with, it should be powerful. It should be like you should feel something sparkly inside of you, that if I take this name, I will act according to what I've written. It should
okay.
be that strong. Take your time, it's fine, take your time. Remember movies, remember your friends, remember any people who inspires you. तेरे बिन संग सोनिया कोई हो नहीं लगता.
आपने डियर जिंदगी मूवी देखी है?
यस।
उसमें आलिया भट्ट प्लेज रोल ऑफ कायरा.
आई नो बट शी इज सो,
So I can relate her to myself.
आई नो
I
यू कैन रिलेट बट आई वांट समथिंग पावरफुल.
Okay, because she has changed her life like
I know
after
she has
taking.
changed her life, but
Yeah.
you know how she has suffered also.
Yes.
If you want, you can keep it. It's up to you. But when you take that name, no, you should feel empowering. That's all I want.
I did because whenever I see a movie, I think so. I have seen it like more than 15, 20 times. Yeah, I love that movie. I mean, the way the session goes and the way Shah Rukh Khan explains
So
her
I
the
am your
thing.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. So
Okay,
it's like
chalo. ठीक है,
at the
done.
end, she becomes a great
Very
successful
happy person.
producer.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she's free of everything. So that's why I like her character.
Okay, done. हेलो।
Yes.
ममता, हो गया आपका? म्यूट हो आप।
I am bold, confident, and trustworthy. I am complete with full of abundance. I am ready to live alone with my child as I am confident enough to do anything in my life. I am not attracting any more wrong people in my life. I am having a good circle of friends where I am having happy and enjoying with them. I am having a good partner in my life where I am living a luxurious and blessed life with my son. We are so much into deep each other. We can understand each other. We with lot of patience, understanding, loyalty. We three are very happy with each other. I don't have any problematic life anymore, and I am so blessed because I am seeing my son is very happy to have such a good father in his life.
Again, you have created a life. I want to create an alter ego. मैंने पूरा पढ़ के दिखाया.
तो अभी ये सारा गलत है।
नहीं, गलत नहीं है, बट इट इज अबाउट लाइफ। आई वॉन्ट यू टू टेल अबाउट यू, how much you believe in yourself, how you are helping people, how people love your energy, how wonderful you are, how confident you are, you how you have a business mindset. Only high vibration people can touch you. You have to talk about you, Mamta, your energy.
तो मैम सब जगह मैंने आए अपनी लाइफ ही तो लिखा है कि मुझे लाइफ में कैसा चाहिए।
I'm reading it out again. Please listen it carefully. She is confident, bold, cheerful. She is not the person people will dare to degrade. She is so powerful. She speaks with confident discipline and she knows how and what people want to hear. She is a leader. People come to her for advice and getting guidance. She is creating her dream life with full of passion and consistency. She is a creator of her own life. She is on a stage. When she is on a stage, people love to hear her and relate with her. They can see how confident and beautiful she is. She dressed like a boss lady according to her field. She looks sophisticated and elegant. Her dress cost around 7K to 18K per dress. She only wear high vibrational clothes. She looks beautiful in every clothes she wears. In a room, she is a good listener. She observes people and then handles them with their level of energy. She walks with a vision and sparkle in her eyes. Only high vibrational people can hold a conversation with her and see how amazing she is. अब बताओ, आपका और मेरा मैच कर रहा है? जस्ट क्वेश्चन.
हाँ मैम मैथ्स तो कर रहा है ना, बस मैंने वो हाई वाइब्रेशन वो ड्रेसेस के बारे में नहीं लिखा है, क्योंकि मेरे को लाइफ ऐसी ही चाहिए। मैं पहले इतने में तो सेटल हो जाऊं। वो ठीक है आपने लिखा है, पर
ममता.
मेरी जो अभी की सिचुएशन
ममता.
है मेरे को इतना
अगेन.
ही चाहिए।
ममता, प्लीज रीड इट अगेन.
हाँ, आई एम बोल्ड कॉन्फिडेंट एंड ट्रस्टवर्दी। आई एम complete full of abundance. I am ready to live alone with my child as I am confident enough to do anything in my life. I can give him a good life. I am not attracting any more wrong people. I am having a good circle of friends where I am enjoying and living a happy life. I am having a good partner where I am living a luxurious and a blessed life with my son.
ओके.
We love,
स्टॉप.
understand each
स्टॉप.
other.
What are your beliefs on it? This is how you want to live, okay? This is how you want
हाँ
things to be done. This is how you want to
हाँ
live your life. But for living this life, what kind of belief you should have? अभी ठीक है, लिमिटिंग बिलीफ में हमने लिखा, लिमिटिंग बिलीफ के पार्ट में जाओगे. ओके. क्या क्या लिखा बताओ.
मैंने वो फर्स्ट और सेकंड वाला लिखा ही नहीं है।
सो आर यू सेइंग मे यू हैव नॉट रिटर्न फर्स्ट और सेकंड, डायरेक्ट थर्ड लिखा है?
हाँ, मैंने
थर्ड में
आपसे
क्या?
पहले ही कहा ना,
थर्ड
फर्स्ट
में क्या
और
लिखा है?
सेकंड
हाँ
ध्यान
ठीक है,
से।
थर्ड में क्या लिखा
ये
है?
ये 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 जो मैंने रीड किया अभी, थर्ड वो अल्टर ईगो का है ना, जो मैं अल्टर ईगो की बात कर रही हूँ।
इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, मैंने जो स्लाइडिंग दिखाई है इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है तुमने.
नहीं, मैं तो अल्टर ईगो का लिख रही थी।
इस टाइम पे तुम आ गए थे, मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है। फर्स्ट टू क्वेश्चन चला गया था, बट थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे तुम थे। थर्ड क्वेश्चन
किधर,
लिखा
व्हाट
है कि
वाज
नहीं
आई?
लिखा है?
नहीं, मैंने क्लिंजिंग वाला नहीं लिखा है।
इसमें का चारों में का एक तो लिखा होगा ना ममता?
अभी मुझे नहीं पता, मैं एक रीड करती हूँ, शायद वही हो। I am lack of attracting good people. I am lack of having my own home. I am lack of having my soulmate. I am lack of having money. I am lack of I am having lack of love. I am dependent on my family. I believe I am not dependent on my family. I believe I am loving myself, taking care of myself. I believe I have attracted my desired partner, having my own house where I can live peacefully,
रुक जाओ,
happily. I deserve.
रुक जाओ, रुक जाओ। So you have you written that I am a financially abundant person. I feel abundant from inside. I am a independent woman. I believe in myself. I believe in my worth. I believe in magic. I believe what I can create in my life and I can do it. Have you written this kind of thing?
I believe I'm loving myself, taking care of myself. I am
Then
not believe dependent on my family. I
I'm
believe
sorry,
this. I am in,
sorry to interrupt both of you, but uh, Sneha, if you are okay, can I give my example, like what I've wrote? She might get it. What exactly is this?
Okay.
So, see, the first question is, what labels have I given to myself? मतलब मैंने अपने आप को क्या taggings लगा के रखे हैं? So I wrote is, I'm not healthy, I'm not sufficient for my partner, I don't have money, I'm not reliable, I'm overweight, I can't work long hours in office, and I have a self doubt. So ये सब चीजें I'm thinking for my own self. I've labeled myself. Then the next one is, what do I believe I deserve in life, love, and money? So this is where like what I'm thinking of future, kind of manifesting it. So I wrote is, I'm healthy, I'm abundant with wealth that I can take care of myself by my own. I'm wealthy that I can fulfill all my wishes by my own without being dependable on someone. I have my own car. I have lost the weight and I'm fit and fine to do everything I want. I can work in office as long as I want without any issues. I have a loving, communicative partner who understands without explaining the things. And I trust myself that I can do anything in my life by my own. So this is the thing I believe and I deserve to have it in my life. Then the next is, what identity do I cling to for safety and validation? So what I am exactly expecting to feel safe and validated कि मैं as a person सही हूँ या safe हूँ, तो मैं क्या validations ढूंढती हूँ? So I wrote is, I can start a routine workout so that I exercise and I have, sorry, the clinch was the things what I always think of doing it for my own safety or for my own validation, but I don't do it. So I wrote is, I can start a routine workout and I can start a exercise because I have a lot of time in a day and I'll not give any other excuses to not do it. Then I do a window shopping from apps or website and I end up buying the things which I don't need it. So I'll stop doing that. And then I spend the money in gaming app just to feel myself at the best or at the top, which I will stop doing it. This will make me safe or myself because these are all the wrong habits which I don't want it in my life. And the last one is, what identity am I afraid to let go of? So, the identities I have is I can't say to no to anyone, and that makes me any very difficult situation, and I don't want to do that. I should have a power to say no wherever it is required, and I want to finish my task and complete the job on time. I trust someone very easily on their face value, whatever they say, and not exactly what they are. So I don't want to do that. I want an emotional, financial, mentally, physical fit person who can understand the opposite person how they are. And I can express someone when there is a argument or discussion happens. So I want to make myself that independent, that I can make my point, I can clear out what thoughts I have about that particular situation.
So this only points I have written.
Hmm.
That first point, that whatever I am
अरे
So this
lacking
is
or
for
मेरे
this
एक
type.
मिनट एक मिनट
labeling.
एक मिनट let me okay, let's do an alter ego meditation. So when you can visualize it, you can feel it, you can be that person. Always remember. So we wrote it, we, we bring it in the reality. Now we will visualize it and we will feel it and it will come true. I know that for both of you. Okay. So let's start. Um, keep your spine straight as much as you can. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Keep all your focus on your breathing. We will do 3 box breathing to regulate our nervous system. We will start now. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep all your focus on your breathing now. Now imagine you are in a big fun fair. There are rides, there are very big food stall, there are very luxury product on sale. Wherever you turn around, It feels like a whole luxury party. The people around you are so kind hearted, so loving, and wealthy. When you are standing there, just feel your emotion. What are you feeling? Are you feeling happy, excited, scared, or you don't belong there? Just feel whatever you are going through now. Now we will enter into our alter ego. This alter ego of yours is confident, bold, happy, kind, and wealthy. You are wearing such a beautiful dress that you feel so good about yourself in that dress. You have a purse. In that purse, you see a card, and that card says unlimited wealth. Whatever you want to do here in this fun fair, you can do whatever you want because there is no limit in your card. Now go do the shopping, try out clothes, take gift for your parents, your friends, take a spa, or play around if you want some games. Just move around and feel that freedom inside of you that you can have anything in your life. There is no barrier of health. There is no barrier of wealth. There is no barrier of your family. You are a completely, a whole different version of yourself, which have everything in their life. Smile and feel that happiness. You deserve all this, everything in this world. You are talking so confidently to people. You're moving like an angel. All people eyes are on you because you're so magnetic. People are thanking you for existing in this world. You just love to live your life. Now I will count from 10 to 1. As I count, feel that each feeling more intensely, more deeply, as if it's already true. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You were always this person which you're feeling right now. You are that person. As we are coming back to this reality, you still can feel that person inside of you when you open your eyes. Talk like it, behave like it, take action like it. Now come back to your conscious state and slowly open your eyes. You were very happy.
I don't know, all of a sudden, so the time when you said you are in a fair, which is very luxurious and all that stuff, I was okay. But then you said you are the person who is like more confident. I don't know, somewhere I imagine I am a PR person for actor and actresses. I'm so in a topmost name that whoever comes to me gets successful in 6 months. So I was meeting all the actors and actresses, and they are saying like, we are waiting when you will take our name, when you will PR for us, and then we can be on the top list. And I was meeting Shah Rukh Khan, I was meeting Amitabh Bachchan, I met Ritik Roshan, and I was like, I'm telling him, oh, I'm your fan, I'll do free work for you. And he is also saying, no, you have to charge it for whatever it is. So I saw a good Prada bag in my hand, and I saw I am nicely having a red dress, one top kind of a thing, gown kind of a thing. I have a pearl jewelry. I have a 6, 7 bodyguards around me. And seriously, it
Wow.
went to some other level.
There is no limitation. There is no
I know.
limitation. It is so
Yeah,
good.
I was having a limo where I'm going in limo and
Oh, that this is one of my dream. I don't know why. I saw that move. I saw the series, one of the series on Netflix, Gossip Girl. In that they used to show limo every now and then. So I
yeah.
got this thing. I want limo. I was someday I would like to sit in it.
Yeah. So I had the dream like I am that wealthy that I can buy my own limo or own Ferrari and I'm going in car whichever I want. The cars are lined up.
Very nice. Mamta.
पहले तो मैम जब भी आपने कहा कि फेयर में जाओ, इतने बड़े बड़े लोगों को देख रही हूँ मैं, तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है आई एम नॉट फेयर एनफ, मतलब मैं इधर सूट ही नहीं करती हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे कैसे आ गई। लेकिन जब आपने कहा कि आपको एक रूम में लेके जा रहा है, एकदम आपको ड्रेसअप किया जा रहा है, और एक कार्ड है आपके पर्स में जो अनलिमिटेड मनी है, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, तो उसको देख के तो मैं एकदम शॉक हो गई कि जो कभी रियलिटी में किया नहीं मैं अभी कर रही हूँ। और जैसे मैं जाती हूँ सब लोग एक तरफ ऐसे देखते हैं कि जैसे किसी एंजल को किसी क्वीन को देख लिया। तो मैं बस चली जा रही हूँ उधर। और मेरा जो ड्रीम पर्सन है जिसके घर भी मैं होके आई, सलमान खान, मैं उसको सामने देखती हूँ, वो मुझसे बात करता है क्योंकि घर पे तो मिला नहीं था। और मैं उसको याद दिलाती हूँ कि जो मेरे मामा है वो तेरे मामा भी है, आपके मामा भी है। बस इतना है कि रियलिटी में हम लोग कब मिल ही नहीं पाए, वो मुझे आपके घर पे लेके आए थे, उतने में मेरा पार्टनर आता है, उसको मैं मिलाती हूँ उसके साथ। तो इसका हर बार का रोना धोना, किधर तू घूम रही है, क्या कर रही है, ऐसा सब नहीं होता है। तो उसको मैं बोलती हूँ शांति से चल, जो चल रहा है बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत मजेदार लग रहा है, हमें ऐसी ही लाइफ चाहिए। क्योंकि वो बहुत रोकता टोकता था मेरे को, ऐसा नहीं कर वैसा नहीं कर, खुद भी वैसा ही है। तो उधर बड़े लोगों से मिलती हूँ एंड आई एम फीलिंग लाइक इवन आई एम लाइक देम, इवन आई एम अ सेलिब्रिटी लाइक देम, कि जो वो लोग कर रहे हैं वो मैं खुद भी कर पा रही हूँ। जैसे ब्रांड्स मुझे चाहिए थे, जो जो मुझे चाहिए थे, मैं सब अचीव कर रही हूँ, मुझे सब कुछ उधर मिल रहा है। और मैं इतने बड़े पर्सनालिटीज को देख रही हूँ जो मैंने सिर्फ आज तक टीवी में देखा था, लेकिन रियलिटी में मैं उनको अपने सामने देख रही हूँ, सब एक से खड़े हैं मेरे सामने।
Nice. This can be your reality. You just have to work on yourself. When you will work on yourself, your limiting belief, your limiting or egos, there is a whole portal open up, and you wish is your command for universe then. But for that also you have to let go of your limiting belief that this can't happen. This is a very big dream. Everything can happen in this world. I have seen people who were not earning 30,000 also and now earning 40 lakhs in a day because they have worked on themselves. Energetically, they are very high vibrant. They have healed each and every area of their life: friends, family, childhood, relationship. And, you know, when I see them, I can feel I can do it too. If they can, I can do it. And I want both of you to have this mentality. If they can, I can do it too. It just take practice and your work. और मैं ऐसे भी नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि जाओ बस वो खुदारी लो और खोदने लगो. I'm just saying you guys to write it down and act upon it, behavior wise, action wise, thought process wise. That's all you have to do, guys. Okay? So, the whole point of creating an alter ego, whenever you are in a situation that you think ये मुझसे नहीं होगा या मुझे नहीं करना या जो भी XYZ है, you will close your eyes. You will think what my alter ego would do at that point of time. You will feel that happiness, that energy inside of you, and you will do that work. Once you start embodying yourself with your alter ego, whatever you imagine right now is gonna be true, one or the other way. Okay? हमने आप लोगों को कुछ करो.
Yes.
Are you guys doing self hoponopono?
What is self
Yes.
open open?
Dear self, I am
जो
sorry.
हाँ
आपने भेजा
हाँ
है वो ही।
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ।
Every day.
Good. If you want, I have sent you job wala Upasna.
नहीं.
Okay. It's been 1 week now,
Hmm.
2 weeks almost. Uh, now start doing job wala. I'll send you.
Okay.
Once you do that, you'll get the job very nice. You'll get very nice job. Whatever hurdles you're facing, it will be removed. Okay.
Okay.
So I will send you job wala Opono Opono.
Okay.
Okay.